Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Tech Info, and I am Wasif Mumtaz. In this video I will discuss about decision making and branching in Java. So for that we use three type of statements: if statement, switch statement, conditional operator statement. So we have three types of statements in Java for branching. So in this video I will be discussing about if statement. So we have four type of if statements. We have simple if statement, if else statement, else if ladder, and nested if else statement. So for that we will take with the programming example. So first of all I will take example of a person. If a person's salary is about 20,000, then it will get bonus of 20%. So we will ask the person for a salary, and then he will enter the salary. If the salary is about 20,000, then it will get 20% bonus and program will terminate. So remember that if statement is do not have any other branch. So if the salary is about 20%, then it will get 20% bonus and program will terminate. And if he has less than 20,000 salary, then it will not get bonus. So here in if statement, if else statement, we will take example of a same person. If a person enters salary about 20,000, it will get 20% bonus, otherwise it will get 10% of bonus if its salary is less than 20,000. Same with else if ladder and nested if else statement. We will take programming example and solve them. So for that, this single video you will learn about all about if statement, decision making and branching in Java. So first of all, for a if simple if statement, we will open the notepad and write the program. So I will suggest you that you have to install IDE like NetBeans in your laptop or PC, so that you can save a lot of time, and also you do not need to write classes, and you do not also need to save the program. It will execute the program quickly. So I will recommend you to install IDE like NetBeans. If you do not have NetBeans or any other programming IDE for Java, you can do this in simple notepad. Open the notepad, and here we will take the example of that person program. So for that we will take example of a person. If a person's salary is above 20,000, so let's solve the program. First of all, we will take import space java dot util. For taking input from a user, we will need scanner class. So I will import scanner class first. Now we will make class name. Class name is, so I will take a class name as user inputs. So here we will take integer type for storing salary. So it's better we will take variable like SAL, and we will store bonus in B. Now we will make scanner object. So for that, scanner obj is equal to new scanner, and here we will put in system.in. Remember that system.in is default input. So here in this case default input is our keyboard, so a system S will always be capital. So now we will ask the user to enter the salary. So for that we will ask system.out.println. so we will write system.out.println, and here in this we will tell the user to enter the salary. Now user will enter the salary, so salary will be for taking input from the user. We will write salary is equal to, we will use this salary variable, we will use as salary is equal to obj dot next int. So for to take input from the user, we will use this salary object to store input from the user in this variable salary. So here in this case, now we will use if statement. If now we will use if statement if salary is greater than or equal to 20,000. Now here in this case, if salary is greater than or equal to 20,000, then in if statement body we will write, so here in this b is equal to, so in b is equal to salary SAL, we use multiply salary multiply by we are taking example of 20%, so whatever percentage you will take, you will write here 20 divided by 100. So now salary is equal to salary plus b. Now we will close our if statement body, and then we can use outside the body we will tell the user that system dot out dot print line. Here we will write that print line salary is equal to, and for concatenate we will use plus sign plus SCL. So here is our program. So I will save this and now copy this, copy its class name. I have changed its class name, so do not worry. So just go to CMD. Now here I will write my drive, which is E. Now I will write Java C space class name dot Java. So here I will write Java space class name. Now it will ask me to enter salary. I will put as 30,000, and your salary with bonus is 36,000. So here is our program, full program. Here is our program, and in the next video I will discuss about if else statements. Thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to subscribe us. Allah Hafiz.